Hello traders and welcome back to the channel. Today's video we are going to be checking out the Gold Trade Pro for MT4 and MT5 from Profile Gold Limited, which is actually a very popular developer here on the MQL5 community. And this expert advisor is marketed as the real strategy gold trader in a market full of risky greed and martingale bots. It sounds promising, but you know how it is. So we are going to review and we're going to check everything out in this video. So ensure you watch until the end. And before we dive into today's expert advisor, we have a free Forex robot for both MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. And you can get this expert advisor by using the link in the description below. It's for free, 100% free, and it's worth it. So ensure you check it out. And about this Gold Trade Pro expert advisor for MT4 and MT5, the developer says that most gold EAs are just hidden grids or martingales that look amazing in backtest but eventually blow up because gold is so volatile. But he says the Gold Trade Pro is different. He uses a simple but effective breakout strategy based on daily support and resistance. And price breaks at a daily level, the expert advisor enters in that direction with a fixed stop loss and take profit from the start. Then he uses a trailing stop loss to protect profits and let winners run. It has seven different built-in strategies, and also these strategies work together for more stable results, according to what the developer says. And this expert advisor goes for 649 US dollars, but you can also rent it for 349 US dollars just for 3 months. For 6 months, it's 449 US dollars, and for 1 year, it's 549 US dollars. And the developer says there's no dangerous money management, there's no dangerous martingale or greed, that is just classical trading, and it's recommended on the daily time frame actually. And also the recommended pair is gold. It's also recommended that you start trading with a minimum amount of $200, and they show solid long-term backtest and also live signals with hundreds of percent of growth, stressing honest non-manipulated equity curve. You can see it. This is their backtest numbers from initial deposit of $100,000. Their net profit was $146,000, and max equity drawdown was about 7%, and that's commendable. They also have their win rate at 63%. The win rate for profitable trades at 63%. All of this with a profit factor of 2.38. This is their own backtest from about 3 years of backtesting data, and this is how their equity curve looks. So this is what is presented by the developer. Also, they offer a live signal. They offer a live signal here, which you can check out. They have a live signal for both normal risk and high risk, depending on the settings, which we are going to talk about shortly. And this is the growth since 2023 for the normal risk, 656% since October 2023. It's been running for 134 weeks, as you can see, and this is how it looks like. Equity is about 7,000 over 7,500 US dollars, and the statistics is 636 trades with 58% of that being profitable, 373 being profitable, and losing trades are 263. So it's pretty straightforward and balanced. Recovery factor is 5.42, and average profit per trade is 41.64 euros. Yeah, I think the life account is running on a euro account. So this is how it looks. Profit is 6,564 euros. And so far on this live account, I think we have just one review. And this reviewer said that 6 trades on 30th and always 6 hit SL. Yeah, this is just probably one of those people who just tested out on maybe a small set or a small sample size, maybe just a week or a day. Yeah, total 7K dollars lost in a day. And you should know that when trading with most expert advisors, you should be able to trade them long term. Set your risk and set your money management to be able to trade out an expert advisor long term, and don't expect one way home runs. Yeah. And this is from the live signal. And let's talk about the settings so that you'll be able to set up your expert advisor properly and ensure that you can be able to trade it with it long term. We have a simple setup. Just drop it on your XAU USD daily chart, choose your risk, and go. You can enable or disable different strategies using the di- uh, uh, you can enable or disable different strategies, and you can also use risk per trade. You can use trailing stop, Friday close, and also they even provide prop firm set files. The Friday close is to avoid weekend gaps, and they even the developer recommends starting at 1% risk per trade, and this is important. The developer recommends it, so always place your stats at 1% risk per trade and testing on demo first to understand the behavior of this expert advisor instead of loading all of your account balance and risking everything and expecting home runs. We have some positive reviews here out of 41 reviews in total, and that's it from the developer. I myself had the opportunity to test this expert advisor on MT5 using the MetaTrader 5 platform as reference for this MT4 and MT5 Gold Trade Pro E. And it works on the MT4 also, but I'm using the MT5 to test this. And I tested it on XAU USD daily from April 2025 to April 2026 with a 10K starting balance. The equity curve looks clean, and you can see it has this steady upward trend with some flat periods and some actually long flat periods. We have a very straight flat period here which lasted for months. Then we eventually had one strong push higher in early 2026, and it finished with about 2,247 US dollar profit, as you can see from my backtest, and we have roughly 22.5% gain. Profit factor came in at about 2.48. Max equity drawdown is just 5.24%. So despite its long flat line, its long flat period, we only had a drawdown of 5% maximum. And we overall had 222 trades and 63.5% win rate. So the main thing is about keeping your risk management to be very tight and strict to ensure that you can last out these long periods of flat, this flat curve on the equity. And also, this rise can be attributed to the trending market on gold. As we know, gold has been trending over the past couple months, and that's probably what we can attribute this steady rise from around late 2025 to early 2026. Yeah, and if you compare these numbers on my backtest to the developer's long-term test and live signal that show much bigger growth, my recent 1 year run is more modest but very stable. The settings that actually matter are which of the 7 strategies you keep active. Yeah, as I said, there are actually 7 strategies, so it depends on which one you keep active. Also, your risk percentage and the trailing stop logic. That those are the major uh, inputs that matter that you can set to work for you. You can allow buy trades, you can allow sell trades. You can decide which strategy you want to run, whether you want to run the first or the second. We have about 8 of them actually. And you can set your trailing stop, just play around with money management here and set it to your preferences, and it will make the expert advisor work for you. So that's why it's important to always um demo test expert advisors before buying them. Honestly, this is one of the cleaner good expert advisors I've reviewed. No hidden martingale. As you can see on the charts, it works on the daily time frame. So, and you get fewer trades because of the daily time frame it works on. You get fewer trades, and so it can feel slow. Yeah, it can feel very slow, and you still see some losers that hot when a breakout fails, and it performs best in strong trending and volatile markets. But it can sit quiet or take small hits during chop. Profits and drawdowns will differ depending on market conditions and the lot size or risk level that you choose. This is about the Gold Trade Pro MT5 Expert Advisor. I'll say this expert advisor is for patient traders who like set and forget on gold, who understand volatility and prefer quality setups over constant trading. It's solid for prop firm accounts or medium portfolios. Beginners who want fast action or traders on high spread brokers should probably just skip this expert advisor. If you enjoy these no hype straight talking expert reviews like this, hit the like button and subscribe, turn on notifications, and drop in the comments which expert advisor you want me to test next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex robot we talked about in the description below. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.